good job getting stuff for your
We
brother,
got this
Cash.
for you.
So your new shoes are over there too, Kason.
You know, shoes. Right there.
Yeah. Whoa.
Do you like them? They're like a Jordans. They're like a Jordans.
Now the other stuff that Cash got for you upstairs.
Oh, also, I got this.
Yeah, but upstairs in Mama's closet, there's the rest of the stuff that Cash got you. Let's go look at it.
Yeah. Jason, there's some more stuff upstairs in the closet.
Yep.
Yeet! It's for you. I just looked. Okay. Lawn party. I'll turn it off.
Kason, where's Cash? Where's Kason's?
Jason's. We have another one.
Up there by the pumpkin.
Oh.
Okay, no bubbles in the house. Turn the bubbles off, please. Push the button down.
Jason, push it down. Oh, you gotta put it in the middle.
Push the button down.
So put it in the middle. Listen.
It's very nice of you, Cash, to get all this for your brother.
We got another one. That's the other one.
Whoa.
Oh, also we got popcorn. Jason, this is popcorn.
Yep. And what's that? What's that other stuff, Cash?
We also have a magnet castle.
Magnet castle.
So, oh, jelly beans. Those are for you, too. Chocolate coins. These are for you. Yeah.
Thank you, Cash, for getting that for your brother.
And also, Kason, this is a new cup.
How does it work, Cash?
You actually, there's a switch on the bottom. It turns on. It turns red to blue.
Did you get all that stuff for your brother, Cash?
Yeah, but also we got some more, Kason.
Next time you go to Disney, okay, Kason?
Do you want to my telescope?
Kason,
My telescope.
when you turn
Oh,
5,
also,
hey,
Kason,
when you turn 5, you get to go there too, okay? Okay, Case?
No, that's not the way you look at this. You also have to cover your eye to look. I'll cover your eye for you. No, other eye. No, shake it around.
No, don't shake it. It'll do it on its own, see? Now you got your own bubble one. Thank you, Cash, for getting me all this stuff.
Love the bubble. It's raining on me.
All right, now no bubbles in the house, okay? Just stinky diaper. Ooh. Stinky diaper in the trash, and we got a new fence going up. I did this while we were in Disney World. We're gonna do a nice big double 10-foot opening so I can still go into the backyard, but we're gonna get a puppy eventually, so we had to block it off. Nice big old 6x6s. Yeah. And then they did the other side too. And then inside the house, we have that heat transfer machine came. Plus, they had like a welcome packet for SupaColor. I'll tell you guys all about them. Let's go inside. Middle child's new Jordans came in. Red and blacks. Got some, got to do an oil change on the Cobra. So the red line oil is what I run in that. And then over here, way too many boxes. This guy on the bubble machine. Good morning, dude. You like those things too? Yeah, 2.5 or 3.5 more years you can go to, buddy. But yeah, boxes galore while we were gone, which is cool. But this is the heat machine. We will go ahead and unbox this today. Digital heat press. With the mug and the hat. It's a 5-in-1. About 160 bucks we paid for, $158. And then this came in the mail. And this is the company right here, SupaColor. Set up an account with them, email them, tell them kind of what you're trying to do. And then we hired a graphic designer for $12 per file. He is taking our files and put them into Vector. And these are the shirts we're starting with. called Red Cap. These are actually pen holders for your sleeves. We bought an XL and a XL long and a large, but they're nice work shirts with steel buttons or metal buttons. Real nice. I used to have these when I worked security back in Arizona, way back in the day, as a bouncer and a bartender. And I loved them. And they have like a stretch fitting to them too. So we shall get those going, but we got the Know Your Worth logo going on the back. And just trucking on the front pocket, so well, that'll be it with this good old company. Let's try our hand at that. First of all, let's play with these kids, get them fed, and unbox this thing.
You guys asked about merch, and we decided that we're going to try our hand at it. We have these Red Cap shirts that I ordered. They are oil blocker and have these cute little pin pockets, and we did get a couple different sizes just to test it out. We got I think this one's a large, and this one's an extra large tall. And we're also going to try our hand at hats. These are Justin's hats. I think these two were brand new, but this is just an idea of what maybe, you know, you guys might want. We're going to press, let me just go over here and show you this actually real fast. So we're going to press our logo onto the hats with this thing. And this right here is my new, since you saw, sorry, I'm going to put this back over here. Justin, take it out of the box. It is going to be my new press for the shirts. We're going to check this baby out. Heats up. Oh, I got to flip the switch. Boom. And we have power. So you just lay your shirt on, flatten it out, pull it over, let it warm up. You're gonna let it heat up, and you hit the start button, which is, I think, this one right here. And it counts down, and then you press it. Boom, gets all the little wrinkles out. And then, you know, that stops it. And then you put the logo on and time everything. I'm gonna learn that. I'm still working on it. So we got this neat little thing in the mail. This is our SupaColor, and this is our test kit. So I'm gonna break this baby open and actually see what we got in here, because we haven't even opened this yet.
We have no idea what this is going to be. Pretty easy to set up online with them, guys.
Oh, how cute!
And it's a minimum order of 20. Oh, that's cool.
They sent you a
Actually,
t-shirt.
send you a shirt.
That's cool.
Okay. Shows you kind of, I guess, one of the patterns that they did.
Uh-huh.
That's kind of
cool.
Right.
Feel it.
Did they give you any
wow,
patterns? Is it nice?
That's really good. That's good quality.
Did they give you any patterns inside that thing?
I think they might have. That's a really nice color.
And these shirts are a cotton polyester blend, guys. We're probably going to try all black also and all red.
They send you a test kit, and it actually comes with their SupaColor logos just to test it out on some things.
Okay.
Which is pretty cool. So, oh wow, they send you a whole bunch.
Oh, nice.
So different styles, different logos. I'm assuming these are for like the hats. Or maybe these are... So that's the shirt that you tested on. Oh, that's cool. So basically, I think this is what you tested on. You tested on
so
this.
They give you a t-shirt and then they say...
And then give you, okay, so hey, gives you a chance to less stretch.
Well, we're learning as we go, guys, but this company seems like it's pretty dang
This is really cool.
Minimum order of 20, like I said. Any size you want, they'll print them out and ship them right to you. And they try to do it like really quickly. We don't really need it quickly.
So this is actually, so these are testers. As I'm reading it, it says, these are the ones that are suitable for most cap styles, not suitable for fabrics that are simulated ones that migrate, but they have ones that are for all fabric types. So they have ones that are suitable so you can know,
wearable, okay.
Yeah, you can know which ones are for which.
Promotional, wearable, test transfer.
Like, so they're different.
headwear,
Yeah, check this out.
soft shell block, cool.
So
yeah, they're out of California.
that's
They're trying to get it back to you in 2 days. So we're gonna just try it out, learn this machine at 330 degrees. You can see it's heating up now for 10 to 15 seconds, and it tells you all about it. You can look them up on.
Well, they also have this. Okay, we're not like necessarily going to do this,
Oh,
but
we
this
talked
is
about
so cool. So they've got this for like mugs. I can make coffee mugs
Okay.
and like plates.
Yeah, press on design to plates.
That's so cool.
But yeah, so I put these pieces of wood down here, guys. I attached them at the bottom because it was kind of flimsy. You would let it swing over like that and it would like want to fall over. So I was gonna attach it to the actual filing cabinet, and Truck and Wife said no. We paid like $100-something for that. I said okay.
I'm gonna wear that. So do a new night shirt.
All right, but this is the company we're gonna be using, guys. Wish us luck. All of these
And
orders,
I will be the company
all
we'll
these
be
orders
using.
will be filled by Truck and Wife. So give her
Once
some,
we,
give her some T's and P's.
yeah, please. Also, once I start to, okay, thank you. Once I start, I don't really know how I'm gonna take orders. I'm assuming by email. Payment will be through Cash App. I have a Cash App. It will be at Just Truck and Life for payment. I will send receipts.
If you're not really inclined with the internet or the mobile apps, can you send in a money order or something like that? Like if you're a little old school.
We might be able to work it that way.
All right, we'll figure it out.
I'll figure it out.
Just Truck and
Send
Wife.
me an email and we will work it out. I will try my best to figure out everything, just depending on
She's also
your
got
situation.
3 of these things, so give her some time.
I am really bad about responding to emails lately, just because we had Disney and
Yeah, but
babies.
Truck and Wife will be doing all the proceeds from this venture will go to Truck and Wife, and all of the actual apparel will be made by her. So T's and P's, guys, and we are about to learn our crash course on
so
heat
like,
transfer.
Just out of curiosity, guys, since you're watching this, watch out, baby. We were thinking the logo would be.
These are really nice shirts, metal buttons.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Metal buttons.
We could do, baby, please.
Case and back upstairs, Bubba.
So we could do like the Just Truckin' logo here on one of the pockets.
Yeah, that's what we'll probably do.
And
Left pocket.
then
And then we'll start with just Know Your Worth
Know Your Worth on the back.
as the first one. Then we can do different designs. Any suggestions?
Yeah, I
But we'll
kind
be
of,
doing,
if anyone can send me a logo in a vector file, if you can, the words Just Truckin' in a really neat way. I'd appreciate
Oh, okay,
it.
yeah. If you want to do
Just
like
the
a
word-
different design,
Yeah,
yeah.
just a different design of
For
Just
like a big,
Truckin'.
the back of the shirt. Like
I
a
was thinking small, just for the front pocket.
Well, we're going to use the
right on
logos
there.
we use for the intros to the videos. We got those 2 in Vector already. We already paid for them. We got a cool graphic designer we actually found on eBay.
Yeah.
And he's already vector filed our logos for
Or
the
Truck
front.
and Wife, if anyone.
Something Truck and Wife, yeah, that'd be
like,
cool.
like Just Truck and Wife, or I'm a Truck and Wife, or send me a logo for like a girl's t-shirt for your wives and girlfriends.
And we did get a load today, guys, but it doesn't pick up till 7 a.m. tomorrow. And it's going down to Jacksonville for good old Convoy. Actually bumped the
Pick up
price.
tomorrow. When does it deliver?
I can pick up between 7 a.m. and 1500, which is 3 p.m. Tomorrow. And then I'll be home for trucking or the giveaway. Giveaway's tomorrow. What's our giveaway, Kaysen?
What's our giveaway?
Is it a...
Trash can.
Not
Trash can. So you get a trash can, and what else?
Let go.
You get a
Dash can.
you get a dash cam. Woo! And
$100 cash.
and $100 cash. Whoa! That'll be tomorrow at 9 p.m. Guys, we're doing a giveaway, and we don't know where we're gonna do it from. But we'll probably might be just at home this time because we just spent a lot of time at Disney. But yeah, apparel is in the works, guys. God bless, and we'll see you tomorrow. So before we go, we're cutting hair now.
Wait over.
Wow.
Use the buzzer, baby.
Yes, you should.
No, I want this kind of it.
Oh, you want to go? Okay.
Thank you, Gigi, for letting us go to Disney World.
You're more than welcome.
If someone take
And
these
these
someone
shirts
take
are pretty
them off.
cool.
Here, I'll help you take them off. Here, bring him.
Take them off.
You have
Happy
to.
birthday, buddy. Casey, you're next, buddy. Maybe we'll go put up some Halloween decorations.